The importance of elephants and their tusks. An elephant's tusk is essentially just a tooth, a giant incisor. The tusk connects to the brain cavity, which means that about a third of the tusk is actually inside the head. There is no way to fully remove an elephant's tusk without killing it in the process. If a poacher does not take the entire tusk, they are still leaving it to die, because it is very difficult for an elephant to survive without its tusks. Elephants need their tusks for a variety of things. For one, they need their tusks to protect themselves against predators. Though the elephant has a very few predators due to its massive size, the elephant calf is in far more danger as they are a suitable size for lions or tigers. As well as for defensive purposes, the tusk can be used for a more offensive objective. The tusk can be used in battle against other elephants. Elephants use their tusks to dig water holes in dry riverbeds in order to get water. This helps for their survival, but also the survival of many other species that are incapable of digging for water. Elephants are important for quite a few reasons. Elephants are essential in the dispersion of many different seeds. Since elephants can walk such a vast distance, they are able to spread seeds in many different directions. This is so beneficial for other species that depend on those plants for survival. The various species in a certain area are able to spread out because elephants have scattered seeds over the entire space. Not only do they spread the seeds, but they provide nutrients to the soil as well. Elephant manure replenishes soil that was once unusable. They create nutrient-rich soil for humans to plant crops. For many people, tourism is their main source of income. Elephants, among a few other species, are Africa's greatest wildlife attractions. Many tourists travel to Africa for a safari or a wildlife experience, and they most likely expect to see elephants. Without elephants, the tourist industry in Africa would decline drastically. This would directly affect thousands of people in the tourism industry. As I mentioned earlier, elephants use their tusks to dig water holes when they need water. This is very important to the ecosystem because while elephants' intentions are meant to only benefit themselves, they are unintentionally digging water holes for other animals as well. Many animals do not have the means to dig water holes and depend on elephants to dig them. Without elephants, other species would have a hard time surviving. Elephants, since they are such large creatures, create paths wherever they travel. Though this might not come to mind as the most important thing an elephant can do, it does greatly benefit other species and even humans. The paths created by elephants help smaller animals travel through the areas that they may not have been able to get through before. Humans appreciate these paths because instead of chopping down plants to get across difficult areas, we can use the paths organically made by wildlife itself.